In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay a Vimeo video, embed settings. To get started, open your browser and head to Vimeo. If you're not already on the home page, a quick search for Vimeo will take you there. Once you're on the site, log into your account so you can access your videos and embed options. If you have a lot of content, go to your video library and select the specific video you want to embed on your site. With the video open, look for the Share button. It's the little paper airplane icon. Click that to open the sharing options. In the window that appears, choose the Embed option. This is where you control how the video behaves when it's placed on a web page. Inside the Embed settings, find the Playback section. Here, turn on Autoplay so the video starts automatically when the page loads. Right below it, enable Mute. This is important. Most modern browsers block autoplay with sound, so muting ensures your video will actually play automatically. If your site relies on videos playing without user interaction, keeping mute on is the most reliable setup. You can also glance at any size or appearance options to make sure the embed matches your layout, but don't worry. You can adjust that later if needed. After you've enabled autoplay and mute, copy the generated embed code. Vimeo updates this code based on the options you just set, so you're getting exactly what you need. Now, go to your website's HTML editor and paste the code where you want the video to appear. If you're using a content management system, look for an HTML or custom code block. In WordPress, for example, you might use a custom HTML block. In other site builders, you may have an embed element. Paste the code, save your changes, and preview the page. When you test, make sure the video is visible on load. Many browsers only autoplay when the player is actually in view. If you're testing on mobile, be aware that some devices and low-power modes can pause autoplay behavior. If it's not working, double-check that mute is enabled in the embed settings, clear your cache, and refresh the page. Also note that some embed customization features may depend on your Vimeo plan and permissions for the video. That's it. You opened Vimeo, selected your video, used the Share and Embed options, enabled autoplay and mute, and pasted the embed code into your site. With those settings in place, your video should start playing the moment your page loads.